everybody. My name is Kevin Capital from Project Capital, and I'll be teaching you all about Excel, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft PowerPoint. This show is all about shortcuts, basics, and it's for all the beginners, advanced, and intermediate level users. So I don't want to waste your time. I like to go straight to the point. I don't want to take too long out of the video, but just to get started, if you like my content, like and subscribe below, and comment and ask me what you want to know, and I'll give out things for free, as I've done this for many years. So in today's topic, we're going to talk about how to be adding or customizing the toolbar at the top of the Excel table. So first things first, the top part is what you call your toolbar, and underneath there is called your ribbon. So what we're going to do is we're going to put File, we're going to go to More, we're going to go Options. So within here you're going to get a couple of items or lists and other different Excel options. So formulas, grouping, save, language. It's a lot of stuff if you're not familiar with it, but for more of the intermediate and advanced guys, I'll go through that in a future video. But for today's episode, we're going to go Quick Access Toolbar. So the Quick Access Toolbar relates to this top part, and then the Customized ribbon is basically this section. So what the Quick Access Toolbar does is it allows you to add things that you didn't even know was even in Excel, and you can add it there. So it's not, so all the stuff here is just basically default. So it's basically just save, undo, redo, and then a little drop down. So what you're going to do is you look at the top part, choose commands from popular commands. So that's everything that's popular. But if you want to see everything, you click all commands. So let's go through the popular commands first. So just scrolling down slowly, you can see basic stuff, add filters, that might be important. You can see here, everything on the left is what's available, and then everything is the right is what's already there. So you can see save, undo, redo. So what you're going to do is going to add everything from the left list into the right list. So let's say we want to add an easy filter, so you don't have to navigate through the menus. So add the filter. Let's just say what's very popular is the fill color. You can add that. Let's see what's another popular thing people do. We can put here paste special values. Sort ascending, descending. Sum is a very popular one. We can put that there. And we've got the undo, redo, and then okay, cool. So those are the popular ones. And then if you want everything, go all commands. Let's just check what other. You can see home tab. There's so many other different things. You guys can play around with it. I'm not going to go into too much detail. There's the help tab. I don't think that's important, and for all you developers and advanced guys, you can go developer tab. But let's go all commands. Okay, cool. Let's see some other stuff that that you would like to see, would like to use. So advanced user would use this. So things like borders, we can add that. Let's just check range. There's auto sum even. It's a whole long list. Guys, go through it yourself. If there's something specific that you want, then type it below, and then I'll see if I can find it for you. But I'm just doing the very basics. Even file path, you can add that there, so you know where the path of the file is saved, and you can click OK. So let's test that. There you go. So you see, there's the filter. So you can have A, B, and you go 1, 2, and then you want to drop a filter here. Click filter. Then if you want to highlight something in yellow, you click yellow. It just makes life so much easier. And then if you want to paste special values, you copy that, and you just say paste special values. Oops. Paste special values. Boom. And if you want to sum across, just click the sum. click enter. Done. And if you want to put borders, next one, if you want to put borders, you can just click borders there. And if you save your file somewhere, it'll give you the name of the path. So yeah, hope that is so much easier for you. You guys add the menus that you want. I've just added the things that you need, so you don't have to go in and take the long way just to go data, formulas, so on and so forth. Yeah, so I think that's it for the tutorial. If you like more content, like and subscribe. Make sure you click the notification bell at the bottom. Message me. I give out free values and free lessons, so you don't have to pay an arm and a leg. I'm willing to give back to the community for all the years of experience that I've worked in Excel. Thank you. See you in the next episode.